Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about directional derivative. So now I will show you the technique. So we have the function in here. So we need to find first the derivative of the function respect with s. So we have s in here, so we got about 3x squared y squared. We do similar for y, and you got about 2s to the power of 3 and y in here. Now we have the point 2 and negative number 3. So we put number 2 in here, negative number 3 in here, and that should be about 3 multiplied with number 2 square, negative number 3 square. You got about 108. Similar for this one. And this one you got about negative 48. Now we go to the vector in here. So we got about vector u in here, and we got about v and the magnitude of v. That should be like this. So we got this one is about negative number 2 and number 1. This one we got about the square root of negative number 2 square and number 1 square. So you got about 1 over the square root of number 5, and we have negative number 2 and number 1 in here. So we got about vector u. We have this one multiply with negative number 2 and number 1. And this one equal to cosine theta, sine theta. Now we will apply the formula to find directional derivative. You got about first derivative of s multiplied with cosine theta, and we have first derivative of y sine theta. So this one we put the number in here. The point is about number 2 and negative number 3. So this one we got about 108. And we put this one go in here. And this one is about negative 4 over 8. Multiply with this one in here. And we got about negative 264 over the square root of number 5. And you will get about approximate negative 118.064389. That's the end. Thank you for watching.